You want to learn how to make conflicts healthy and boost your team's culture and outcome? Awesome! I will tell you why you should have conflicts, how to create healthy conflicts, and what are the results when you introduced healthy conflict. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sven, and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria and currently on holiday in Croatia. And on this channel, we are exploring how to make your teams happier and more productive. And today, we are going to talk about how to introduce healthy conflicts in your team, which will boost your team culture. So let's get started. So you hate conflicts or you try to avoid them? That's normal, because most of us don't like conflicts because they create discomfort, anxiety and uncertainty. It activates our fight or flight mode. And fear of conflict is actually one of the 5 dysfunctions of a team by Patrick Lencioni. So often we see conflicts as negative, but what about healthy conflicts? They will help your team to thrive and create better outcomes and better team culture. But how do you create healthy conflicts? Conflicts are healthy when they aim to improve the outcome for the team. Second, if they are respectful and not personal. Have a look at the link regarding a video about the 2 basic rules for retrospective. And then third, it's about making it transparent so everyone from the team can contribute to a solution. So it must be visible. And to create an environment where this is possible, have a look also onto my video 5 simple steps for effective and productive retrospectives. I have in my head one picture which pretty much describes to have, on the one hand, unhealthy conflicts and on the other hand, the healthy conflicts. So let's have a look on them. We all know too good the unhealthy conflicts. It's when you and me are finger pointing at each other and saying, you are the problem, you are the problem. So let's have a look on healthy conflicts. Here, you and me are on one side and we are looking at the problem and thinking about a solution together, because we believe that everyone gave their best given the situation at hand, their skills, their resources. Have also a look to the link, the 2 basic rules for retrospectives. So, and I love this overview. So whenever you are in a conflict, think about, are we at the moment in an unhealthy conflict situation or are we in a healthy conflict situation? And if you are in the unhealthy conflict situation, what are now measures to get you into the healthy conflict situation? What are now the results when you have healthy conflicts? Well, first of all, it creates an environment of psychological safety and trust. And we need trust because this will enable the engagement of the team members to come up with ideas and solutions maybe no one else was thinking about, and so we find better solutions. We are also making bottlenecks more transparent because now they can emerge, because everyone knows it's not against them as a person, it's regarding finding solutions to those bottlenecks. It also helps us to improve our communication skills, because now we are not shying away from our problems, but we put them in the center and we figure out a solution for them. It builds commitment, because now everyone wants to work on the big challenges and problems and bottlenecks we are facing in the team, and we work together on them to win our Champions League. So, what do you think? Is this hack something you want to try out to create an environment where healthy conflicts become possible? Leave a comment below and tell me how it worked out for you to create healthy conflicts, and what are other hacks you're using to facilitate conflicts in your team. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos about this, please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.